Good morning, everyone. I hope your 2024 is off to a great start. We are here to plan January 22nd through the 28th this week, and we're going to be using a few of my sticker sheets from my Etsy shop. I'll have it linked below if you're interested. Also, then let's just go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and put down the box with a little cute watermelon slice for my bills to pay section, and then we're going to put down another box for the errands and to-dos with a fun little watermelon flavored drink, the cute little straw. Get the week going, make sure we have everything taken care of. And here I'm doing a habit tracker, and I'm using this other cute little drink as my water drink. And the other side will be for workouts. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to split each one down the middle, and I can have one side be for working out and the other side be for drinking water for each day. Okay, now let's go ahead and separate the blocks that I usually do. The top section is for appointments and things like that, trainings, anything that I have to do on time. Then we're going to do the second half of the week. Put down the coffee icon that we usually always do once a week. Go to Starbucks. Now I'm putting down the separator for the work that I'm going to be having to do for my businesses, plural. Okay. Putting down the second half of the week, cutting off the excess. Put that aside for now. We'll be using that later. We'll put down the remaining of the week there, and a couple little popsicle stick icons, which was really cute. And this is almost like a burst of maybe more 4th of July looking, but we're going to go with it. I think it's cute and refreshing for all this cold weather we're having. And we're going to put down the work stickers on each side so that it separates it out, and I can put down the things that I need to do under my bookkeeping and my gathering daisies. Putting down these stickers for 5 days because this week I am taking part of a YouTube 1K challenge, and that happens every day this week. Now I'm going back over to bills to pay, putting in my little tiny dots. That gave me tons of trouble this week. So you see me struggle a little bit with those, having to turn the page. So I got it done, but it's life. It happens. Now I'm going to use that one little piece, and I'm going to put 2 of these to-do stickers, and we're going to cut that in half, and I'm going to separate it into the 2 different weeks. I just love this multi-tool, this little cutting tool. It just really works so good. Okay, to do on one half of the week. Ready, set. Oh, it's a little crooked. Gotta fix it. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Put it on the other side. Perfect. Okay, so now we are putting in 2 more small boxes. I cut one in half lengthwise, and that is for the gathering daisies that I'm going to do with the listing out of the things I'm doing each week. I put a little laptop down there, and Sunday I'm going to do some planner time, get things going, put a few more decorative stickers around just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. I really like the colors of this week. It's so bright and fun and cheery. Putting some more decorative stickers everywhere. Brighten up the whole workload idea. with some fun popsicle type watermelon popsicles. And hopefully I will not work this weekend. So I tried to block that whole section out just to try to make myself not work. We'll see what happens. So now we're just going to go ahead and write in the things that are going on this week, my appointments, my reminders, anything I have scheduled, training, some meal planning, and that type of thing. It's not a super busy week this week, but it sure will it'll keep me going. How are you guys doing? How's your year so far? Anything new and exciting? Any new businesses? How's it going with your challenge, or not your challenges? I was just reading the word. How's it going with your planners? Are you enjoying the planners that you picked for the year? I am so far. I picked 2 for the year, and I've really just been in this one so far. I think I would like to try the dashboard for my work. I just haven't come up with the best solution for it yet. I'm going to give it a try. Maybe in February. I probably have said it before, but Januaries are really busy for my bookkeeping business. And I just do everything I can to keep that up to date and going and complete for year end for previous year. So that kind of consumes most of my work schedule in January. So February is going to look a lot different for me this year. I'm excited about it. I'm going to be doing some decluttering and some different videos, creating some more content and more printables and sticker sheets, and then just lots and lots of plans this year. I'm excited for it. I hope that you all are doing all the things, following your dreams, making the things happen. Okay, so enough chatty. Let's get back to it. That's the day my husband is off. I think we might do vegan Alfredo pasta on Monday. Takeout is Tuesday, so that will be one of my daughter's days. And then at the bottom there, you can see I was writing Gathering Daisies. Then I'm just going to go back up in the middle section and do my personal things, my list of things to do each week. Like water inside, some laundry, clean the bathroom, pay the bills. And then I'm skipping down to the bottom section, and sorry, some of my video was cut off at the bottom and you couldn't see it. So unfortunately, I had to go ahead and leave that part out. So you didn't get to see me decorate the bottom section very much. I was just putting in Plan With Me's for YouTube. I had some cute little stickers that I made up for Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and I'm going to try to post to those each day. So I put the little icons below, try to keep me going, keep me on track. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a visual person. If I don't see it, I forget about it. It doesn't become a habit. I forget about it. I need to write all the things down. And it's just, I guess I have a lot going on, you know? Couple businesses, homeschool, wife, mom. Keeps you busy. Can't complain, won't complain, love my life. But definitely have to be paper and pen person. Lists, planners, calendars, you name it, I need to do it. So that's how I keep things going. What about you? Do you guys remember everything? I also use Google Calendar, and that alerts me on my phone at least an hour before time generally if I have an appointment, so that I hopefully don't miss them. because I have been known to be busy just cleaning house or working away and just completely losing track of time and either missing or being late for appointments, and that's just not good. I need both the things. I need the phone reminders, the calendars, the planners, all the things. Okay, so let's see, back to the planning. Here again, I'm just writing out what I'm doing for cleaning and different things around the house. And it's nice to split up the cleaning in our house because it just seems to take forever. And I don't know about y'all, but I really don't enjoy cleaning an entire house in one day. Wears me out doing the laundry and all the things. So I split it up a little bit throughout the week. It makes it a little bit more manageable, keeps my house cleaner, and I just love it. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you have a great week, and have a blessed day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.